We're gonna do partner yoga today. And what we're really gonna do is I'm gonna do yoga adjustments. And that is either done for two reasons: to make sure that your alignment is safe, or to help you move deeper into the yoga posture. There's 3 rules for doing a yoga adjustment. You want to make sure that your stance is safe. So we're not like, balancing on our high heels or anything. We're safe. Our feet are planted. The second thing is you want to use elevator movements. So think of your pressure on the partner as an elevator. So you want to push down the first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Okay, when you feel some resistance, back off. And the third thing is to go very slow. This is moving slowly into the adjustment and then moving slowly out of the adjustment, okay? So for child's pose, inhale, and then as you exhale, press down, pull back, inhale, and exhale, rotate your thighs out, or rotate their thighs out. Try it again, inhale, exhale, press down and back. Inhale. Exhale, rotate the thighs out. And we'll try it one more time, just like mitten hands. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. Inhale. Exhale, rotate your thighs out. All right. Slowly walk your hands forward. Can you lower to your elbows? There you go. Okay, it's the same thing that we start with in child's pose. Inhale. Exhale, press down and pull back. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. And then lengthen through the spine. So keep your hand on the sacrum. Stretch your left leg along the spine, towards their head, and rest. All right, now you got to switch sides. Try it again on this side. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, press down and back. And then now keep your hand on the sacrum and lengthen through the spine, slowly towards the crown of your head. Keep breathing. Relax your head again. All right. Nice and relaxed. Mm-hmm. Yay. Come out of it and then flip over. This is corpse pose, so you can stretch your legs out. Reach your arms to your sides, let your palms face up. Close your eyes. Breathe. Breath in. Breath out. Breath in. Breath out. Okay, so keep breathing like that. Find the ocean-like rhythm to your breath. And then you can grab your partner's ankles, so with mitten hands, so your hands are not too grabby. Mitten hands, hands glued together, fingers glued together. Grab the ankles. Make sure you're in a safe stance. And just gently rock side to side as they close their eyes and breathe. So slow down. That was going too fast. Slow down. And then, once you feel safe in your stance, bend your knees, pull their ankles back so you're stretching their low back. Gently drop their legs down. So it's like out to the side. Let their feet open. Then you can turn towards their head. So you have to kind of stand over their head. Rub your hands together. That's for Ricky. And then press down through your shoulders. And push their shoulders down and away from their ears. So try it again. Inhale. Touch the shoulders. Exhale, down and back. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, down and back. Right, and we'll do one more stretch here. Okay, you will cradle the neck and gently pull back away from the body. Gently lower the head back down. And you can take your index finger and middle finger, circle the temples. And then one thing I really love is put your finger on their third eye and thumb to their third eye. And then slowly give them some time. When you're ready, roll to one side. Breath in. Exhale, let it go. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.